Introduction to RescueTime.
RescueTime is a popular tool for tracking how you spend time on your computer and mobile devices. It helps you understand your habits by monitoring app and website activity. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up RescueTime and use its features to boost your daily productivity.
Creating and setting up your account.
Start by visiting the RescueTime website and signing up for an account. Download and install the app for your preferred device. After logging in, follow the setup prompts to allow RescueTime access to monitor your activity. You can customize which devices to track and adjust privacy settings to control what data the app records.
Understanding the dashboard.
Once installed, RescueTime automatically tracks your activities in the background. The dashboard displays a summary of how you spend your time each day. Categories like productive, neutral, and distracting help you see where your focus goes. Spend a few minutes reviewing the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its charts and breakdowns.
Setting goals and productivity alerts.
Take advantage of RescueTime's goal-setting features. You can set daily goals, like limiting social media use or increasing time on productive activities. Enable real-time alerts to notify you when you exceed limits or reach productivity milestones. These reminders help you stay aware and adjust your habits throughout the day.
Reviewing reports and making improvements.
Regularly check RescueTime's detailed reports to analyze your productivity trends. Look for patterns and distractions and identify opportunities for improvement. Use these insights to change your routines, block distracting sites, or reorganize your schedule for better focus. Consistent tracking and review can lead to lasting productivity gains.